Hello, this will be the unboxing of Samsung Wave. I just got it today from Samsung for 500 bucks. In the box itself, 1 year warranty for its internal parts for the phone itself, and 6 months for the accessories. So this is the box. Basically, yeah, this much. Samsung Wave. It has this shiny, shiny reflective, well, whatever you call it. So at back here you have, a bull new blah blah blah, HSDPA speed, and there's the supported frequency. You have Edge or GPRS application store. For Apple, you have this App Store. Sound Alive, I'm not sure. I think it's more to the speakers. 3.3 Super MO LED display. I've tried it and it's very amazing. Very beautiful. HD video recording with GPS included. 5 megapixel camera with autofocus. Wi-Fi, DIVX. Wow, I'm surprised. Bluetooth 3.0. Amazing. Samsung apps, Obada software by Samsung. I guess this is the model GT-S8500. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it up. So it has a slot over here. Just need to pull it out, this guy. Okay, here's my warranty card. In the box you get the phone itself. Let's put it aside. Okay, you get a user manual, micro SD adapter, installation CD for your PC suite something, leather case, your micro USB to AC adapter, you get in-ear headphones, with microphone. That's good. And standard micro USB cable. And you get a battery pack. So that's it. Back to the phone. Okay. I've added the protective screen together. So this is the back. This is a ebony gray color. With metallic finish behind. Camera itself. LED flash. USB port. 3.5mm headphone jack. Speakers. The 3G camera, front facing camera. The speakerphone, and you have this what do you call that, light illumination thing. So you have the lock button over here, and you also get the camera button, so you can shoot pictures easily. Here, let me open the lid. Back cover, you have 8GB memory is included. Made by Samsung, approved by Serum. You have this home button over here, answer button, and decline button. It's a full touchscreen. It has multi-touch function. So that's all for my unboxing for this time. Tune in for more unboxing videos. Thank you.